Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is November 28, 2018. This is the home of the 2-minute price prediction as well as giving you all the news according to the charts. We do appreciate you all coming today watching this video. We're going to talk about Alibaba and how the smart money, so-called smart money, have been accumulating these shares amongst all of the escalating trade war between the United States and China. Okay, we will look at the price chart to make sure that what we are reading on this particular article here about Alibaba, if it is in fact the ideal situation on the price chart. Okay, because as this organization, HueFin News, we are reporting the news by the price chart. We do not place any importance on the articles that we read or as well as the videos that we watch. The truth is already listed on the price chart, and that's why we're here to show you all whether or not the articles, the videos that we may post on this channel, if they are in fact accurate in what they're trying to dispel to us. Okay, so we do appreciate you all. Make sure that you all come and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell notification too, because you will not miss out on any of our videos that we upload here to YouTube on this platform. And if you like the video, you like the content, make sure that you hit that like button as well and share the video, because what we're offering you all is definitely something that is out the norm, that no one else is doing, and as well as saves you time. Okay, because once you understand language analysis like we do, all you have to do is look at the price chart. You won't have to waste your time reading articles, watching videos, doing any fundamental analysis, because the truth is already there on the price chart. So once you understand how to interpret those things, then you too will save precious time in your own investing strategies. So right now, let's go ahead and get started and look at this article for today. Okay, so this was posted by Yahoo Finance. It looked like Investor Monkey is the place to where the article is located. Okay, the title reads, "Hedge funds scoff at trade war. They piled into Alibaba Group holding during the third quarter of 2018. They start the article off by writing, "The government required hedge funds and wealthy investors with over a certain portfolio size to file a report that shows their positions at the end of every quarter." And apparently they're trying to even out the playing field by helping the regular or ordinary investors in the market, because it kind of lets us see where they are placing their money. Okay, now it's 3 months in every quarter, so it doesn't necessarily give you an advantage to what they're doing with their positions or their money, because a lot of things can happen within a 90-day span. So what we're looking at right here on this article are 13 F filings disclosed from positions on September 30th. Okay, they're going to analyze how these hedge funds or prominent investors traded Alibaba during that time period. The escalating trade war between the US and China has not scared the hedge funds away from Alibaba, and we will see that on the price chart. Okay, Alibaba definitely has been maintaining its strength. It has held support quite well. You can go back and watch a video that we posted about Alibaba recently, and we told you that if it can hold support around the $140 area, then again it can continue its movement to the upside. That's what has been going on since then. So the hedge funds are not scared about Alibaba. As a matter of fact, as we get towards the end of this article, you will see more hedge funds placing new positions in this particular company. There was another net increase in the hedge fund ownership of Alibaba during the third quarter. You will see in the graph towards the bottom of this article. Tiger Global has been one of the funds to throw its support behind struggling Chinese stocks, including Alibaba, stating in its third quarter letter that its long-term outlook on the country hasn't changed, and noting that while Chinese stocks had lost ground in 2018, they are coming off an impressive 2017, and very impressive because Alibaba gained nearly 100% last year. So even though we might see a correction of about 20% in this stock, they are still up 80% from a year ago. Alibaba also ranks 6th among the 30 most popular stocks among hedge funds in the third quarter 2018, easily topping Apple and other popular US stocks. So Alibaba is definitely interesting, or is showing a lot of interest by these hedge fund managers. Next section. What does the smart money think about Alibaba Group holding? Okay. A total of 127 of the hedge funds tracked by Insider Monkey were bullish on the stock, a 9% rise from one quarter earlier, the second quarter. The graph here, you guys can see the number of hedge funds with bullish positions in Alibaba over the last 13 quarters, and this graph definitely shows you that the increased bullish positions in Alibaba is going up, which is another indication that we should see on the price chart. So be on the lookout for the strength to be revealed on the price chart in order to see if this graph is in fact accurate. Okay, now you can see one of the hedge funds here, Fisher Asset Management, actually has one of the largest positions in Alibaba. They have 1.81 billion invested in this particular stock, comprising 2.2% of its 13F revealed portfolio. Next one would be Lone Pine Capital. They hold 1.6 billion in Alibaba stock. 8.2% of their portfolio is allocated to Alibaba. Okay, there are other hedge funds. Soraban Capital Partners, they have a big position in Alibaba as well. They have $276.9 million invested in Alibaba. You can see that Oz Management as well has a huge position. They have $204.8 million invested in this company too. There have been new acquisitions or long positions for Alibaba stock. You can see that Sacom, Head Capital, Citadel Investment Group, as well as Steadfast Capital Management have all created new positions for Alibaba. So now, as you can tell, this article is very euphoric in increased price for Alibaba. Many hedge funds, according to their 13F filings to the SEC, is showing the continuation of interest. And with the interest, you would expect these money managers to see Alibaba move to the upside. So now, what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and look at the price chart to see if we are in fact seeing the same thing. Looking at the monthly chart for Alibaba stock, you see that it ended the day up 1.84%. Recently, we came and we have not changed this ascension line in the market for Alibaba. Okay, so we closed well above our ascension line during the month of October, and we definitely off of our ascension line this month in November. Okay, Alibaba is still giving us some strength. As long as we stay above our ascension line here on our chart, Alibaba will continue to move to the upside. The monthly chart is giving us indications of strength. The market for Alibaba from this price chart definitely reveals that it is a buy right now. Over the last month and a half, 2 months, you can see that we have been definitely staying above our ascension line. We came and touched it numerous times throughout the weeks, and we are definitely off of it now. So Alibaba is a buy according to this price chart. The hedge fund on that previous article had positions in Alibaba according to their filings. It looks like Alibaba is going to continue to move to the upside towards $170. Now from there, we will have to reevaluate whether or not this particular stock can break that price, $170, and move to the upside. But the weekly chart, the monthly chart for Alibaba stock are all indicating continued movement to the upside. So according to the chart, according to this previous article, I am in agreement as well that Alibaba is forecasted to move to the upside. That is going to be our analysis for Alibaba. Okay, So again, we do like your comments, your opinions about this particular company too. So if you have time, go ahead and leave us a comment and tell us what you think about the article, about the price chart, and whether or not you expect Alibaba to continue to move to the upside. This is how simple it is to see and forecast price movement. We do appreciate your time. We do appreciate you watching our video. Make sure that you all maintain your profitability, and I will see you all later.